Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March the 8th, 2023. Let's break down Tezos today to see what went wrong. Let's break down to see if the market can even recover in price, because ever since I did my last video in Tezos, which was on the 21st of February, you guys can see that the price has gone completely off the cliff. It fell down. So let's break this down. So you guys can see, first of all, that when I did a price prediction right here on the 21st of February, the market in Tezos did not take that much time to come to our ultimate TP price. You guys can see it right there. Maybe 2 days into the price prediction, the market in Tezos ran up there to that $1.49 area. Congratulations to those who predicted the timing as to how high they suspected price was going to go in Tezos, because if you would have took your profit right there at the high of the 23rd, you won. You got 21.25% win out the market, rather than being down today 13%. You guys can see that the market in Tezos now is trading at our area of support down here. So congratulations to those who predicted the same thing like we did. Let's get rid of it. Let's talk about the market here in Tezos. Now, overall, the only thing that went wrong in terms of us seeing price in Tezos maintaining its upward move is the fact that buyers didn't show up. That's it. That's the only thing that can move price, buyers and sellers. And if the buyers don't show up on this ascending line, we always need to expect price is going to continue to go lower until it finds them. Okay, so that's the reason why price in Tezos is going down. Now, can it recover right now? No. We all can see how price is now well below our trend line, and look at how many days so far price in Tezos has been trading below it. That tells us that the market buyers are not interested in Tezos at these price levels, so we may see another move lower in Tezos just to find them. Let's look at the market in Tezos here on the 2-day chart. You guys can even see here on a little better time frame that yes, there's still some weakness here. The buyers are not showing up on a 2-day time frame. Look at Tezos here on the 3-day. Okay. Now, the opportunity for us to possibly see buyers, the potential to see buyers will be right here. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this trend line out the way, because we're not going to look for price to go higher anymore. That trend is now broken. So we cannot be reliant on it. So we need to focus on buyers. This would be the first area that we could possibly see the market grab buyers, which is around $1 and a nickel. Look at Tezos here on the 5-day chart. Okay, so this would be our first area. Look here on the 5-day chart. The second area would be right around here. Okay, now we're still seeing weakness though. All of this volume right here that came in on this 5-day price bar, this is where the market sold. Look how high that volume bar is. Look at that. That's monumental. And then look at how the price bar concluded. It closed well off the highs. This is where the market started to sell off. And so far, we're still seeing a weakness there. Here is Tezos on the weekly chart. Okay. And let's look at Tezos on the 2 weeks. So that's pretty much it right there. I'm done. We're going to continue to look for price in Tezos to dip, to go lower. And these are the 3 areas that I'm eyeing the market to try to find the buyers. So let's bring this back on the daily chart. See if we can straighten this up just a tad. Okay, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to bring up my magnifying glass so you guys can see the prediction. We're going to look for price in Tezos to go down. Okay, the first target, you guys can already pretty much tell, it's going to be relatively close right here around $1 and a nickel, which is around 3% move lower, $1.04 or a nickel. That second target that we're going to look forward to into the market in Tezos is around $1 and a penny. $1 and a penny, which is around 5.32%. Third target is around 98 cents, $1, 8.41% move to the downside. Now, again, we already know the overall trend in this space in Tezos is lower prices. The market is weak. We're going to look for prices to continue to trend down. Even if it doesn't find buyers at these 3 locations, then we already know that the overall trend is still to the downside. Okay, ultimately, it might even come all the way down here to 95 cents. Just saying. But those who are new, go ahead and hit that like button. So, subscribe to the channel. Give me your price prediction, your targets as to where you're suspecting the market in Tezos is going to move over the next couple of days. And that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And it's always trade different.